Classic Greek salad. It is easy as pie, although actually pie is kind of tricky, and this isn't tricky at all. You start out by making the dressing, which is very simple. I have some red wine vinegar. It's equally delicious with lemon juice, but I wouldn't use something like balsamic because that would overpower it. I'm going to put a little honey in here, just the right amount. Yes. And some salt. So easy. Vinegar, honey, salt. Then I'm going to slowly put in my olive oil and use the whisk so it gets nice and emulsified in there. Now, some people use an immersion blender or something, but this is fine. Hey, Jane, hey, do you think it's too short? Okay. So I get this olive oil. You drizzle it in slowly, just like I'm doing. Keep the whisk going. And it looks, see, it's really nice and emulsified. And you don't want to put any other ingredients in it because the Greek salad is really about the vegetables that are in there, the vegetables and the cheese. So you don't want the dressing to be the star. The star is fresh tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes. Fresh cucumbers, yeah. Kalamata olives, those are pitted, those are in there. I'm going to put a few of our pickled red onions in there. You can use raw red onions if you want to, but be sure and soak them in a little cold water, and that takes the sting, the bite out of them. And the piece de resistance, hey, what do you think?
Did you get a new bra?
Is the Valbresso.
They look great.
Valbresso feta. Feta is, feta is a soft cheese, but Valbresso is made from sheep milk, and it's just particularly creamy and particularly good. And so that goes in there. And remember, when you're storing feta cheese, you want to always store it in water, kind of like you do tofu. And that's the whole thing. I'm going to put a little pepper on top there at the end.
That looks good. That's short and sassy. That looks good.
That's it. Yay! Great next to some roasted chicken or some grilled fish, or next to, if you're vegetarian, nice with white beans or white bean soup. I like it with a little pita, or you can warm up the pita and put it in there and make a little pita pocket out of it. And isn't that pretty? And it's so easy. And it uses these fresh vegetables that are just perfect in the summertime. And I'm going to now personally serve this to Daryl, who noticed my hair.